Hey everyone, today we're diving into these three ultra portable magnetic power banks from Baseus. A brand that's name literally comes from based on user. And after testing these, I can tell you they live up to that promise. So if you're tired of bulky bricks and cables everywhere, this video is for you. Full transparency, they did send me these products for free in the purpose of making this video. Now, a quick intro. Baseus has been innovating consumer electronics for over a decade. Blending minimalist design with user-first functionality, the Picogo series think ultra thin, card sized, and seriously travel ready. They're not just power banks, they're portable power companions. So let's see how they stack up. So let's start with the Baseus Picogo AM31 Ultra Mini. Possibly the world's smallest 5000 mAh wireless power bank with a QI2 fast charging. It's only about the size of a credit card. Let's talk about the top features. 15 watt QI2 certified fast wireless charging, so it's twice as fast and more efficient. Built-in kickstand. This is a game changer. Stream, scroll, or FaceTime hands-free. Triple cooling system with advanced graphene and smart chip that monitors temperatures 18,000 times per hour. Snap and charge. Strong magnets keep it attached to your iPhone and locked in place. 20 watt USB-C fast output. Charge a second device via the cable. So if you want the smallest wireless power bank that packs a kickstand, this is it. It's perfect for content creators or commuters who need power and flexibility. So next up is the Baseus Picogo 41 Ultra Slim. It's crazy thin, just 0.36 inches. That's about the same thickness as your Magsafe wallet is. In fact, this is why it stands out. Wallet size portability, the slimmest of the three, ideal for on-the-go use. Triple cooling system, same heat dissipating tech as the AM31. Snap to charge with strong magnets again. Magnetic alignment is flawless. Enhanced comfort. With its aluminum shell, soft silicone finish, and curved grip, it feels premium in hand. 20 watt USB-C fast charging, plus dual device support via included braided cable. This one's the minimalist dream. It fits anywhere, it stays cool, and powers fast. If you want the most discreet backup battery, this is the one. So finally, let's talk power. The Baseus Picogo AM41 Ultra Slim QI2 has another version, and this is the 10,000 mAh. The last one we looked at was the 5,000 mAh. So this gives you double the capacity in a still slim profile. It's just a touch thicker than the 5K model, but it's way more capable. So why is it a powerhouse? As the QI2 certified 15 watt wireless charging, 27 watt USB-C fast output, plus 20 watt input for quicker recharging, triple cooling system, the graphene plus AI temp control equals a safe, stable charging. Ergonomic, sleek design, great grip, same premium finish, charge two devices at once, again with the durable braided cable that's included. So if you're looking for more runtime but still want that portability, this is the one to grab. It's great for travel days or heavy phone use. Okay, so here's a quick comparison and rundown. If you want the smallest with wireless QI2 and a kickstand, then go with the AM31 Ultra Mini. If you want something that's ultra slim, card sized for your pocket or wallet to carry, the AM41 5K Ultra Slim is the one for you. Now, if you need something more juice, faster wired output, the AM41 10K, which is the QI2, gives you the best of everything. All of these Picogo chargers show what Baseus does best. Sleek design, powerful performance, and real-world usability. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or you just like to stay light, one of these will fit right into your lifestyle. If you are interested in picking up one of the Picogo from Baseus, we are going to be leaving a link in the description below. You can just head over there. I'd love you to leave a comment on what your favorite feature was, which model you think would fit into your lifestyle best. Share this with a friend who you think would love this product. Hit that like button and subscribe for more great reviews like this. We'll see you in the next one.